Attention neighbors! Attention neighbors! I can apply my fertilizer! It's true! I can apply fertilizer now! It's okay now! The temperatures are warm! It's true! I
Not
can apply
again.
fertilizer now! Yes, you over there! I can apply my fertilizer!
Hun, can you not shout at the neighbors?
But it's time to apply fertilizer. I'm excited.
Awesome! So how about you get down here and do it?
That sounds awesome. Okay.
Here we go again. Another lawn season.
What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. Thank you for tuning in to the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. Now, over on my channel, I actually just released a video revealing my soil test results, which coincidentally I'm showing right now as well. And as you can see, I have some work to do. So for those of you who aren't familiar with sort of what's going on here at my place, last year I did a full renovation here on the front yard, and while the germination was actually really good, not everything went smoothly. After I killed everything off and aerated, I top dressed with something called a magic mix, which is compost, sand, and topsoil. And I think that held on to a lot of moisture on top of the peat moss I put down on top of the grass seed. So I just ended up holding on to a lot of moisture, so I ended up overwatering, which that ended up causing some disease, also caused the nutrients to just wash away, and also it ended up pushing around the grass seed into piles to where now I kind of have this blotchy, patchy looking turf. So what am I gonna be applying this spring to sort of kick off the lawn season, get this turf turning around and looking fantastic? So my main driver this season is going to be Green Pop. With its 16-21-2 analysis, I'm getting a good boost of nitrogen with 16%, but more importantly, I'm getting a huge boost of phosphorus at 21%. And phosphorus is really beneficial to help drive root development. And so if your lawn is looking a little bit meh, having good, healthy, strong roots is what's going to help start to turn around the ship, so to speak. On top of Green Pop, it actually rhymes, cool. On top of Green Pop, my lawn is getting the full biostim pack. Now the biostims focus on everything beneath the surface. Included in the biostim pack is microgreen, which is going to give me that good boost of micronutrients, which help drive the overall health of the turf, along with that 2% potassium. Now, if your lawn is good on phosphorus, you did your soil test and you saw that you're good on phosphorus, don't use Green Pop, use something like an 1801 greenepunch, because it has no phosphorus in it, or you can even go with the new 2600 Green Charge. Hey, if you've made it to this point in the video, thank you so much. Why not go ahead and give us a thumbs up while you're at it? Because that's what's going to help grow this channel and get these videos out to a larger audience. Thank you so much for watching. Before I get to spraying my first fertilizer of the season, which sounds so good, if you have an existing go-to fertilizer, be it granular or liquid, the biostim pack is actually an awesome supplement to any existing lawn care plan, because focusing on your soil development, focusing on your roots is going to help make all NPK fertilizers that much more effective. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I applied everything at the recommended rate, 15 ounces per thousand for the Green Pop, 6 ounces per thousand for RGS and Humic 12, and 9 ounces per thousand for Aerate and Microgreen. This is always my go-to spring fertilizer application because you're getting all the main macronutrients with your N, your P, and your K. You're also getting a good dose of the micros, and you're feeding the soil at the same time, and I think all those things combined will help get the lawn started on the right foot coming out of winter dormancy. However, I've said it before, other creators have said it before, the great thing about Greene County Fertilizer, the next line of products, is that they're so versatile. You can substitute anything out with something else and you're still gonna get fantastic results. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below, what is your go-to spring fertilizer application? Do you use Green Pop? Do you use Greenepunch? Are you gonna try the new Green Charge? Or do you just use the biostims on top of an existing fertilizer program that you have that you really like? Comment down below, share that information because it will help grow this community. Anyway, I will see you all the next time I'm on the channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Good luck in the upcoming lawn season, and God bless.